Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Sam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. Now, if you're new to the channel and you enjoy journal making, DIYs, paper crafting, and all the accoutrements that go along with all of those things, go ahead and hit the subscribe button along with the notification bell so you don't miss any of the crafty uploads. And for those who are current subscribers and members of this wonderful community, thank you so much for supporting the channel and for coming back and for your encouraging words. I appreciate it. Now, the reason I popped on today was just to share with you a gift that my son and I created for my husband, who has just recently lost his, the next up brother. My brother-in-law passed about 3 weeks ago. You probably heard me mentioning it in a video. But this has come 10 months after my sister-in-law passed. So my husband has lost 2 siblings in less than a year. And I just thought, well, Josh and I thought that, you know, it would be a good time for us to create something that meant something to him. So these keepsakes we created in their memory and to honor and celebrate their lives. So this is a picture of Josh and his uncle. Josh is looking at his uncle, checking to make sure that he's smiling for the camera. And then this is Josh with his aunt, who has just gifted him his first candy cane. Now, this happened on our last trip to Florida, and it was like I selected these photos because they have sentimental value. Now, the items I used were just simply 2 wooden frames found at the Dollar Tree. Now, I purchased these from Dollar General along with the letters that are attached to the front, but I did spot them in the Dollar Tree. So you can get a couple of them for just $1 each. And they are in the Crafter's Square line that they're adding more of to the crafting section. Now, I painted those letters with white paint and used distress ink around the edges. And then I sealed those with the Super Gloss Mod Podge paint. And once I had glued the scrapbook paper onto the front and let that dry, and then I flipped it over so it would look something like this. I mitered the edges, mitered the corners, glued around the sides, brought the edges up, let that dry, and cut off the excess. And that's simply it, guys. And what I used to seal all of that was the Krylon Crystal Clear acrylic coating. So these 2 items, we could say that although they have great sentimental value, I was able to create these for $3. For $3 in total, not including the scrapbook paper, but that's something I already had on hand. So now I hope that this is something that you guys can use to create for someone that you care about, who's either lost someone that they love, maybe a child that's gone off to college, anything that has created distance between someone you know and the person that they care about. This is a great way to kind of celebrate that person's life and to keep memories that they have of that person close to them. I hope this has encouraged you to pull out your photos and your scrapbook paper and maybe run over to the Dollar Tree or Dollar General and grab a few frames and get busy to show someone that you care about them and that you're thinking about them. And until we're back here together again on YouTube, guys, you know the story. Stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafting. And oh, by the way, don't forget to wear your masks and wash your hands. God knows we need to get this virus under control. Wear your mask, y'all. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.